So, as you saw, I had no real way of recovering my Jeep after the motor decided to give up on me, which is kind of a big deal when you actually take this thing off-road. So instead of waiting for the next failure, I decided to build a solution myself. If you've been following around, you would know that this is not my second time building a bumper. I did a rear bumper not too long ago, but I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm a mediocre welder, but you know what? I decided to give it a shot anyway, so stick around. It up. I had Boston come out and give me a hand getting some welds started. He knows what he's doing for the most part. He got me pretty much started up, and I took over after that. And there you have it. It took me a few days, but overall I'm happy with the outcome. Let me know what you think.